I wasn't able to get around like I normally would. We went on vacation, and when we came back, my wife said, "You've got to get something done to that knee because you can't keep up with us." So that right there probably was the last straw that broke the camel's back, as they say. I got to this point, number one, because I was overweight. Number two, I worked on concrete. I was in education. I was in high school, secondary education. I also got this way because I was a coach. When I came to JOSM, I had already had one knee put in and it didn't work out correctly. And so I was referred to Dr. Schneickel and came in and saw Dr. Schneickel. He had taken some x-rays and he looked at it and said that he could take care of the issue. So he set me up for surgery. The experience was great. You know, I had surgery one day, went home the next, went to physical therapy the day after that. I was able to give up my walker within 3 or 4 days. I was on a cane for about a week, and I was able to put that aside then because I felt comfortable enough to walk. It's helped me to be able to move. It's helped me to be more mobile. You know, I can get around, I can climb ladders again without it causing a lot of pain in my knee. You know, I can do things around the house that need to be done. I can chase both my granddaughters around. Of course, they're young and they have a whole lot more energy than I do, but you know, it has allowed me to become more mobile to where I can do those things that I want to do in life instead of just sitting on the couch all the time. So I was glad to know that Jonesboro Orthopedic Sports Medicine had a doctor that was able to look at the issue that I have and able to help me to solve the issue. Dealing with Dr. Schneickel has been wonderful. He does a good job. He's very patient. He'll sit down and talk to you and explain to you the process that you're going to go through in order to get that knee replaced.